right hand.
And now, our feature presentation.
A $53 billion deficit in the budget and an $80 billion deficit.
Tonight on American Case File. Heavy metal music. Gruesome horror imagery. Combining these two elements is what has made Spencer Charnas and Ice Nine Kills household names in the darkest recesses of the entertainment industry.
Hello, kiddies and creeps of all ages. Before we get to tonight's main event, I've got a band for you who know a thing or two about rock and roll. So lend me your fears, because if you leave now, you'll be making a grave mistake. I call this one Ice Nine Kills.
the truth for a rainy day. Through the cracks with the casualties, freedoms from nothing forever. Become a soldier for the controller. Sing it! I wish something to whisper it. 'Cause it's sick of it. Take my pain while you suffocate. 'Cause you know something is creeping in the dark. For let me fucking hear you scream. Call to survivors has just come through. Races and zombies are making you call out the last for the storm away. Don't take it for a rainy day. I wish something to whisper it. 'Cause it's sick of it. Take my pain while you suffocate. 'Cause you know something is creeping in the dark. Get in the dark. I can't hear you. Fist in the sky! All access. Ignorance is past hand. Get over!
You die.